Hi guys, I'm back. It is the third video I am filming today, and today we are now filming our Stitch Fix box, which if you look at this, this is a pretty heckin' chonkin' box. So let's go ahead and dive on into this. For those of you who aren't aware, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription box where you get paired up with a stylist, you take a little quiz or assessment, whatever phrase or term you would like to use for that. You tell them what you like, you tell them what you don't like, you tell them what you're looking for, you tell them what kind of special measurements your body might have. So for example, I am pretty curvy, I am long-waisted, I have short legs, and it sometimes makes for a tall order for my stylist. And then your stylist will give you a preview where they'll send you like about 10-ish or so different items. Speaking of which, my preview will be here right now. And then you can pick all 5 of your items if you like, or if you don't like any of them, you can pick 0 of them and tell your stylist to try again. For this box, I think I picked 2 or 3. Now I am continuing to look for more business casual items. Specifically, I told my stylist this time I really need some blazers. While I enjoyed the pant options she sent last time, I ended up sending all of them back. They didn't quite work for my figure, and we tried it and we moved on from it. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what my stylist has to say. So in the envelope that they send you, there is an invoice. I like to look at the invoice last because I don't like the price of the items to dictate how I feel about them. I like to form my own unassociated opinion of them and then look at the invoice to see what kind of damage I might be working with. Anyways, then your stylist also sends a style card with a note, and let's go ahead and see what our stylist has said. Hey Amanda, happy Fix Day and welcome to Fix number 30. I hope that this is finding you happy and healthy in Texas. How exciting was your Fix preview experience? I'm so glad to see that you found a few items that you look forward to trying on. Oh God, that's like the same 4 or 5 sentences every time. Now, let's have some fun and start trying on some clothes like the Lush blouse, add some work slacks or a skirt for a professional look. How do you like the style of the blouse? Another option to try could be the 41 Hawthorne blouse, add slacks, and layer on the Saltwater Luxe cardigan. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any blazers currently. However, I will keep looking for you. Please, always feel free to let me know which items are working well for you and how I can improve to better help you in the future. I can't wait to hear from you, your friend, Brittany. So, I did pick 3 of these things. The cardigan, I don't need another cardigan, but it's very cute. And I see she's trying to use the cardigan to use that as a business professional option. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, if I end up not liking anything, I can go ahead and send it back in this prepaid mailer that they have sent as well. And that way I'm not spending money. Now, normally you do get charged a $20 a month, or I should say a box styling fee. But if you keep anything, that $20 gets reimbursed. However, if you do Stitch Fix for enough time, they'll generally offer you something called Style Pass, where you just pay $50 a year. You don't pay per box the styling fee. So you can get basically as many boxes as you want, and you're only charged for what you keep. And then that $50 styling fee will also get reimbursed that 1 year or time of year payment they do. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at this bundle. So I do have some shoes. I do have a bundle, and then I have something that does not fit inside the bundle. Oh God, it's so bulky. So this is what our bundle looks like. I see that floral print peeping out at me. My stylist knows that I am a sucker for floral print. Let's go ahead and start with the biggest item in this box, which I saw this in my preview, and I was like, ooh girl, she cute. So this is a tote bag. It is very cute. I do kind of like the feel of it. I'll have to make sure to wear this with however I decide to style the items that she has sent me. I do kind of want to peek inside to see what it looks like, and it has lots of space. I feel like I need something like this, and I'm going to be very tempted to keep this. But it's going to be very, very important to me that the price is in a good range in order for me to keep this. I will say it does look like it has vegan vegan leather, which is always a plus for me. Oh god, this is very, very cute. I really could have used something like this at the last conference I went to. Let's go ahead and open up this bundle. Oh god, oh god. Well, the floral print just went flying out. So let's take a look at that. So if I remember, I did not pick this. It does look like something I very much would pick though. So this is a very cute floral top. I could see how this would work very well in a business casual outfit, especially with a nice blazer, which would have been nice if she had sent me, but it's fine, I'm not bitter, but whatever. Anyways, it is a little bit on the sheer side, pretty typical. I'm pretty sure this is like 100% polyester. Let's see if I can find the tag that tells me what this bad boy is made of. It's only 97% polyester, it's 3% spandex, in case you're wondering. Anyways, it's very cute. I might have to layer something underneath this. We'll just kind of have to wait and see how this looks when I try it on. We'll go ahead and take a look at the next item, which is another top. It looks like it is a long sleeve, polka dot doesn't feel like the right word because, you know, the little marks aren't like perfectly round. We'll say maybe an abstract print for this. It is like a periwinkle blue. I'm not sure how, I guess on camera it's actually kind of showing up more periwinkle than it is in person. And this is from the brand Lush. They call it the Rosalie One Pocket Blouse, which, oh, it does have a pocket right here. This also looks a little bit more sheer. We'll have to see. I don't really need that, I'll be honest, but we'll give it the old college try, as they say. And then here is the cardigan that I saw and said, I must try it on. It looks super cozy. I don't know if it's because winter has finally hit us here in North Texas. Oh god, this is a big old beast. It does have a hood, which is part of what attracted me to it. This isn't quite as thick as I thought it would be, but it is super cozy and it does have pockets. Everyone loves a good pocket, and it does look like this will fall past my hip, which I'm pretty excited about trying. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the shoes. So these shoes would work as a business casual shoe if they fit well. So we'll just have to kind of see how they look. So here is what the first one looks like. I am a sucker for any leopard print. I used to think it's really tacky, and I think I've just fully embraced it now. Anyways, we'll try all this on. I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and paired the cardigan with the floral print top. The cardigan does have a hood, which this is so cozy. The hood is so big. I love it. Problem is, it's like legit possibly already falling apart. So the price on this is going to have to be right. Hypothetically, I already know the price because I saw it in the preview, but I did my preview like a hot minute ago. But I do love how cozy it is, and it's going to be really, really tempting to keep. Not to mention, like, look at these pockets. Ugh, life is hard. Anyways, okay. I was going to move on to the floral print top, but we are having a little bit of a tag malfunction. 1 minute. Okay, now that I got that fixed, here is the floral print top. Oh god, I am always a sucker for a floral print top. Let me tell you what. I do really like this. I didn't end up having to wear a layering piece underneath this. It wasn't too sheer, so that's good. I am wearing a nude colored bra though, if that makes a difference. Oh god, this is so cute. I really don't need another floral print top, but it's very cute. And I do really like where this cuts off on the V because it's not too low where it's not inappropriate. If I did need to kind of class it up for something more businessy, but I don't need it. Life is so hard. Anyways, I did wear the shoes with this. I'm having trouble getting the camera angle right. This is what they look like with the outfit. I'll go ahead and give a better close-up here in a minute. So this is what the shoe looks like. They're very cute. They're very comfy. I'm actually a little worried that I would have to do some sort of protection on my little pinky toes, just because I think there might be some potential for rubbing and callousing there. I do really like these. Mike thought that the pointy toe was a little bit too Wicked Witch of the West, but I personally love that. I don't know. I know like pointy shoes really had a moment, like maybe late 2010s. Are they coming back? I don't know. Someone more hip than me, let me know. Okay, so here is the last top with the tote bag. The tote bag is very cute. I really, really like it. It could be really hard to say no to this if it's the right price point. Yeah, anyways. Moving on to this top. It is maybe just ever so slightly long in the sleeve. It's a little bit hard to tell. I don't love how low this is, but it's still professional. I feel like it's just a little bit lower than I would like. There is this pocket right here if I did need to put something in it, I guess. I can wear this both untucked and tucked, which I think they would both look cute. I'll go ahead and show you tucked. So this is what it looks like tucked in, which I still think it's pretty cute. The problem is I don't really need this type of top. I already have plenty of tops. I really just need like a blazer to wear with it or some sort of layering piece to go with it. So this is going to be a hard sell for me. The price is going to have to be like real good. With that being said, let's go look at that invoice. There's this like little piece of hair that will not tuck in for the life of me. Anyways, let's look at this invoice and see what kind of damage I'm doing today. So the shoes are $49. The work toe is $54. It's gonna be a hard sell, not gonna lie. The cardigan was $74, which another thing about the cardigan I should mention now that I've had a chance to try it on. There are little white fuzzies like all over the place in our house now, and including on my black jeans. So not a great selling point for it. The black floral print top is $40, and then this top is $44. So the subtotal is $261. If I were to keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount. So the new subtotal, if I were to keep all 5, is $195.75. I might keep the shoes. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the shoes. I really like the tote. I might need to do some comparison shopping first before I commit on the tote. I will say the cardigan is going back, and then both of these tops I think are gonna be going back. So if I feel like for sure I'm keeping the shoes. We'll see about the tote. I do also have a Poshmark shop I should go ahead and mention. I don't think any of these things will end up on my Poshmark shop. I could be convinced potentially to do a keep 5 and then put up the cardigan and the 2 tops on the Poshmark shop. Maybe the bag too. I don't know. We'll see. If you guys really, really feel like that is something that you would be interested in shopping, I'll link my Poshmark shop in the description box down below if that is something you're interested in. Otherwise, I'll go ahead and edit this. I'll post it today, and then I'll give it a couple of days to see what you guys think about, and then I'll make a determination whether or not I'm keeping all 5 and then just selling the rest on my Poshmark shop. Whenever I do put anything on my Poshmark shop, I do try to pass along the savings to you guys that I would get from my 25% keep all discount. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. I will say if you are interested in trying Stitch Fix, my referral code will also be in the description box down below for you guys to try it. And I believe we would both get 25%, not 25%, $25. You'll get $25 off your first box if you're a new customer. And then I'll also get a $25 credit. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my videos to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Stay safe, stay happy, healthy out there. Love you guys.